Hello kids! Today we are going to draw a cake, a simple cake, step by step. But first we have to learn the color's name. The first one is brown color. This one is black. Purple, very nice, very good. Tell me the name of this color. Orange, very good kids. Which color is this? It's green. Good job. This one is light green. Which color is this? It's yellow one. This is pink color. This is blue color. And the last one is, yes, it's red. Very nice. Now let's start to draw our cake. It's very simple. It's very easy. Make a heart. Join these lines. Draw few candles. One, two, and three. Three candles. Make an oval shape. Draw straight lines. Join these lines. And it's done. The cake is ready. Choose the color. Choose it. I like red color, so I'm going to start the drawing with red color. I'm going to start my drawing and coloring with red color. Because it's bright color and I like bright colors. Now choose the second color. I'm going to choose orange color. Orange color. I like to eat cake every day because it's tasty and it's sweet. Kids, do you like to eat cakes? Like yummy food? Okay. Tell me which color I'm gonna choose. Purple color. Okay. Purple color. Purple. P-R-L-E. Purple. Another color. It's pink. Yes, pink color. Pink color. Choose a color. Yellow color. mixed flavor cake. It's looking so tasty and yummy. It's done. Bye bye.